Hello, this is Pohl CNC. I'm going to show you how to start up your Freedom Patriot router. Reach down to your main disconnect, rotate it quarter turn clockwise. As the machine comes up, it'll go through a series of a self-test. You'll see a progress bar here as it comes up. And you'll slowly hear items come on the machine. You'll hear the spindle fan come on. You will hear, if you have a tool changer, you'll hear the air purge kick in. And this takes about a minute for everything to go through the self-test. And you'll see the screens change. And you'll continue to see a progress bar. Just now, if you possibly have heard in the background, the air purge kicked on. Now this machine has absolute encoders, so what we have here is an error that could come up if the axes were moved while the machine has been turned off. You'll notice that you'll have an exit and you'll have a remove error. What you'll want to do is use your arrow key off to the right, arrow over to remove error, and then hit enter. You notice right now it is the x-axis. Once I hit enter, I've cleared the x-axis and now I have the y-axis. I'm going to use my arrow key again, arrow over to remove error, enter, and now I have my z-axis, because in this demonstration I removed all three axes so you could see what would happen. Use my arrow key again, remove error, and hit enter. The only thing I want to show you is if you hold too long on the arrow key, it'll bounce back to exit. Then if you do that and you try to start up, you'll get a servo error or a feedback error. So watch when you use your arrow key that you've actually highlighted the remove error and then hit enter. Once you've cleared that, go to your F4 jog key. You'll notice now that you have an emergency state. On Freedom Patriot routers, you have 3 E-stops. The one that we're always turning off, that we're depressing at the end of the day, is the one off to the right on the controller. Give it a slight turn clockwise, that will pop out. Hit your emergency reset button, come over and hit escape. The drives will kick in. It'll take a moment. You'll notice there was a little yellow bar here on the feed rate. It'll take a moment for that to clear. Once that clears, the drives are energized and your machine is ready to start work. At this moment, we want to home the machine or zero it. We have a shortcut key on the soft keys on the left. Once I hit zero, the machine will zero itself into the back left corner. We can pan over to the machine. Pan over to the machine, we can see as soon as I hit zero, the machine will home into the back left corner for machine zero. And that is our process for starting up the machine. The next thing you'd want to do if you're ready to start cutting parts is you would pick up a tool and you would do a tool change and then do a spindle warm-up.